Okay, guys, I am on black art paper, and this is a drawing paper, which means it's only 70 pounds, so it will wrinkle up some. So I'd like to use heavier paper, and we have a pad that's really good right on our onestroke.com site. And what I want to share with you today is I'm using color shift paint. So color shift is like in the automotive cars. This came from the automotive industry, and the folk art created a paint with it. And see how, when a car drives by and you go, oh, that's a gold car. Oh, no, it's lavender. Well, this is what happens with this paint. So it's kind of fun. And I put a couple of greens, and I even put some treasure gold out here so we can see how that is. And what you do, we're not going to use that white. I was using that earlier today, but we're going to use black because the black is there. This is just multi-surface um, satin licorice, okay? So I'm going to come here and I'm going to work in, and I usually do roses and other fun things here, but we're getting near Christmas, so I thought you can make ornaments. There's all kinds of things you can make, but I want you to see how I can do a real simple poinsettia. All right, so I'm going to come in here and put 5 of these wiggled leaves. Okay, I know that's really glary. And look, it looks purple because it's on the black. All right, so we're going to keep picking up. And this is, oh, what color? This is pink flash. I thought it was red. Sorry. We're going to have a pink poinsettia. Those are beautiful too, which looks purple. All right. So look, I'm doing a wiggle. So watch this. I'm headed towards the tip. So I wiggle, 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 like I'm making a leaf because it's really a poinsettia petal without points. Okay. All right. Now that is the first layer, which is 5. All right. 5 petals. Then in between those petals and a little bit shorter, I'm going to come right in here and come down. All right. So right in between here, I'm mostly putting up pink because the flash color, because I already have licorice on this brush. So see, I'm coming a little bit shorter. And you can take 2 strokes in here instead of trying to do it with 1. But look at with 1, we're wiggling, wiggling up. Oops, let me try it here. All right, I can wiggle up, reverse direction, and come down. Okay, so when you do that movement, watch what happens. I wiggle up, reverse, then I push down, and stand up. So it wasn't a wiggling as much coming back. Isn't that pretty? All right, so now I am going to show you that I can put just gold in the center with the handle of the brush, and I'm wiggling that more than I wanted to. So dip dot, really pretty dots, and not smear them like I just did. Okay, so see how that's looking? Now I can come right in here and pick up green. This is a bright green. All right, so I can come in here with this and I can show you like a holly leaf. All right, which is a little bit more difficult, guys, because you got to wiggle, get to a point, get to a point. All right, and then pull a stem. All right, so I can also do that just like I did the leaves and come around. All right, so licorice, and this is, I need to tell you what color. This is green flash, and so what's this one? Emerald, emerald flash. And we have all kinds of these colors in stock at One Stroke, and you're gonna fall in love with them, I promise you. Oh, and the good thing is you can even paint with them right on glass, metal, ceramic, and it stays. It's pretty awesome. All right, so let's try some of this emerald. So I'm going to go right over to the licorice and emerald. And I think you might like this color with it. All right. Okay. Is that kind of nice? Oops. Okay, a little bit more. So, see, then I'm going to come in here with some licorice. But look, I could come right in here, slide back, and right in here. Or these could be pine needles. All right. Okay. Isn't that pretty? So it's all about using the black as your second color and whatever colors. Now, this is real purple, so who knows what that's going to be. But I want you to see that we can also come in here with some, let's wash this off and let's put just some licorice with treasure gold. All right. So we can make berries with this, or we can make a little blossom with this. All right, so we can put just a couple little like winter, they're called winter flowers. All right, and they would be white instead of gold, but that's how they're shaped. Okay, and they're just nice little fillers. How fun is that, right? And I can put a little bit of white and add just some of those and even some of these little white berries. And winter berries have a different leaf too. All right, you like that? Okay, so come back next time and let's learn some more strokes and little tips and tricks about different kind of product right here on Practice Strokes. Come join, subscribe, ring the bell so you know when I'm on live, and I can't wait to paint next with you. Bye-bye.